In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Proton Mail on Kali Linux. We'll be doing everything from a single terminal window, and the process is straightforward. The goal here is to download the official Proton Mail desktop package, install it cleanly with dependency handling, and then launch the app so you can sign in. To get started, open your terminal using Control, Alt, and T. Once the terminal is open, the first thing you want to do is refresh your package lists and upgrade any installed packages that need updates. This helps make sure your system is in a good state before adding new software. In the terminal, run the command to update the IATSE package index and then upgrade your existing packages automatically. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments, especially if you haven't updated recently. After that completes, move into your downloads directory. This is simply a convenient location to save the installer file so it's easy to find and manage. Once you're in the downloads folder, use the official download link with wget to pull down the Proton Mail Debian package. This will download the desktop app installer directly from Proton's official website into that folder. Wait for the download to finish before moving on. Next, install the package using apt and point it directly to the downloaded Debian file. This is an important detail because installing with apt instead of a lower level package tool makes dependency management much easier. If the app needs any supporting libraries or packages, apt will automatically detect and install them for you. That saves time and helps avoid common installation issues. You may be asked for your system password when running the command with sudo, so enter it if prompted and let the installation complete. Once the installation finishes successfully, the final step is to launch the application. In the same terminal window, run the command to start Proton Mail. This should open the native desktop application window on Kali Linux, where you can proceed to sign in with your account through the app interface. If the app opens correctly, then the installation is complete. At that point, you can also launch Proton Mail later from your applications menu, not just from the terminal. As a quick tip, if you ever re-download a newer Debian package in the future, you can use the same installation method to update it cleanly. That's it. You've updated your system, downloaded the official Proton Mail package, installed it with automatic dependency handling, and launched the app natively on Kali Linux.